So I'm sat here, burning the rubbish, having a cider, and I look up, and who is it? It's baby bird. Come on, got me little baby bird. Got me little baby birdie. Come on, have a little baby birdie. Have a cider. Hey flies. Come on, near I go up there, it's hot. A little baby birdie, look. It's electric fence day, you don't want to go up there. Get electric shock. Ooh. Ooh, nice. I'm not sure if this fence is on or not. Don't know if I should touch it because I might get a shock. Come on. Oh, where's he gone? Where's he gone? Up in the tree. Up in the tree goes. Fly high, little bird. Fly high.